Hello, my name is Lola Ali, and I am the founder of Express Learning Centre, which is a division of Express Global Training Limited. We specialise in out-of-school hours activities for children. The areas we cover are English, maths, music, dance and stage. We are excited to be adding etiquette training via the famous USA company called the Etiquette Factory. We offer it throughout Nigeria, running fun and interactive etiquette lessons for children. Topics include dining etiquette, telephone manners, social etiquette, respect and accountability, confidence and poise, and much, much more. The children have lots of laughter. We guarantee improved behavior and good manners. If you are watching this right now, maybe you are familiar with what etiquette is, or just need an overview on what we offer. Or you have heard about Express Learning Centre with the Etiquette Factory and are curious as to how this can help your child or educational establishment. We are sure you feel as strongly as we do about correct social behaviour for all, about the necessity for people to learn proper manners and social skills. Maybe you are even as concerned as we are about the seeming lack of etiquette training that some children, teens, and even some adults display these days. It certainly can seem as though etiquette needs go out of the window when faced in a challenging social situation. We train both children and adults how to equip themselves for every social situation. An example of this is there will be no more screaming, shouting, bullying or pouting to get your own way. We encourage comportment and better packaging of one's position so that it is evident you are the graceful influencer without forced means. Please see our other services. Please go to expressglobaltraininglimited.com to find out more. We are here to offer etiquette training to small children and young adults through to businesses. We have a passion for etiquette and our love of teaching. We can truly help to make a more gracious and civilized world. We look forward to hearing from you and welcoming your children to Express Learning Centre and the Etiquette Factory. We would love to see children at both. We are experts in nurturing progressive achievers. Children that use all our services become socially savvy, academic and artistic children. With our program Etiquette, elocution, manners and confident children are guaranteed. Etiquette skills have never been more needed, more than they are living in the internet age, and with parental expectation. The pressure of us wanting our children to be the best or top academic in the school can have a toll on a child. Whilst both of these things are excellent in themselves, and in our learning centre we nurture excellence in children, your child needs all-round balance to succeed in all areas. Therefore, we cater for those other areas and have staff that specialise in them. Geographically, we want to spread our services so that as many children as possible benefit. Therefore, if you would like to make a difference in the lives of kids, teens, young adults and businesses, please visit our opportunities page. Until then, please contact us for further information. We look forward to your call on the numbers on our website. We are on social networking. On Twitter, we are at Etiquette Centre. On Facebook, we are at Express Learning Centre. We currently have a special Facebook offer. Do you like what I have said about Express Learning Centre with the Etiquette Factory? Then why not like us on Facebook and say what you like about us? When you sign up for a service, just before you pay, let us know your Facebook name and your comment, and we will give you a 10% discount. Or you can just give us an acknowledgement like, just because of the changes that Express Learning Centre and the Etiquette Factory will be making in our emerging society. We appreciate you in advance for doing so, and we wish you all the best. Thank you.